YouTube, Eric DIY with another review for you. Today we're going to review the VUP 180 degree rotatable sports wristband for phones. Inside the box, it's all in one. Basically it has a nice Velcro strap right here, which will go around the wrist, and it has all these hook attachments right there. The phone's actually going to go here. It looks like to be silicone, and it's very, very stretchy. I'm pulling on that a lot. It's not breaking. This is the rotatable device right here. It has a little resistance to it, so that way your phone will stay in one place, which is a great feature to have, and it will go onto your wrist. To put it on your wrist, you're just going to put it right here, and put the Velcro strap through this hole, and just attach it on there. And then the phone will be like this. Let's put a phone in it and see what it looks like. So I'm going to put the cell phone in with the otter case on it, because honestly I don't feel like taking off this otter case, and I never do when I walk or jog anyways, because it protects the phone. So you can see that it clearly will go over the otter case, no problem. And get the other side. It's very, very stretchy. It doesn't feel like it's going to break at all. So once we get it in there, we should be all set. And as you can see, I got it on there. The webbing is securely across, even with an otter case on my Google Pixel 2. And there you go, Google Pixel 2 on my wrist securely. I'm going to turn it so that way I can view it, and it's going to stay on my wrist that way. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go take it for a walk, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so we're going to go walking and jogging with the VUP wristband cell phones. Right off the bat, it's really handy because I use my LiftMaster MyQ to close and open my garage door for when I come back. And yeah, so we'll just do a little bit of walking with it, and then we'll do a little bit of jogging with it, and we'll go from there. So as you can see, it looks pretty good. It's definitely holding on the wrist. I can flap it all around, and it's not going anywhere. If I want to see my stats on my Map My Run app, you can see it right there, and keep it on my wrist, and it faces the outside, so that way it doesn't get in the way. Easy pick up and down. Alright, so let's test out the VUP wristband while jogging. And as you can see, it's doing a good job. It stays around your wrist and doesn't flop around anywhere. So it's doing really well. Doesn't move at all. Alright, we're going to go on my real workout now with the Couch to 5K app by Run Double. It's an awesome program, and I'm going to use this wristband the whole time. And when I get back, I'll share my findings on it. Just got back from my jogging / walking session, and this stayed, the VUP wristband has stayed securely on my wrist the whole way through, whether jogging or walking. It's also able to access the screen. But the best thing that I found was, if you're jogging like this, you're not looking at the screen, so you have no means to basically grade yourself on your lap speed or anything like that, which is great because you just hit a good pace. You just keep going with it. And I might have gone faster per mile than in recent past. So this might be good, so that way I'm not looking at the screen at the end of every lap going, oh, how much faster or slower do I have to be? I can just basically go that way. And if I really wanted to, during the walking sessions, I could turn the screen my way and check the lap time if I really wanted to. The other thing that I will say is that this is a little breathable underneath there, so you're not going to sweat it off and have it fall off your wrist. It stays securely to your wrist no matter what. No problem there. And the Velcro is very, very good on the holding department. And yeah, I will definitely be using this VUP wristband for my jogs and walks from now on, because I think it just benefits me more than holding the phone in my hand. So last thoughts on the VUP Universal Smartphone Sports Wristband is that I've worn this a couple times. This is now my go-to for jogging and walking. You can see that I've used it several times, and it's still maintains its elasticity. It's amazing. It is definitely washable by hand, at least. Probably just get some detergent and just dip it in and out, because it looks like it could dry. Everything has been excellent with this. Breathable, able to rotate it in different directions, able to use it for lots of different things. And that is my review of the VUP Universal Smartphone Sports Wristband. It is excellent. If you would like to purchase the VUP Universal Smartphone Sports Wristband, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you can be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. Just want to say thank you and have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.